Hello and welcome back to the Joystick division. I have here a recently acquired reel-to-reel tape recorder that I rescued from getting dumped. A Sony TC-560 from 1968 to be exact, and it has a slight issue. When it comes to rewinding or fast-forwarding the tape, it slows down to a complete stop before reaching the end. Obviously, I don't like that, so I'm gonna try and figure it out. And that, as you know, would involve taking the faceplate off, which is dreadfully easy considering there's only 4 screws to undo and it just comes straight off. Unless you count having to take off the instant stop lever, because that thing is a bitch to get off. And now you can see all the mechanical internals, which are very fascinating to me. For some reason, the sophistication and intricacy of the insides of these machines are very fascinating to look at, especially in motion. So now I'm just running the tape backwards again. No! I said backwards and I meant forwards! To see if it stops before the end again, and of course it does. But if I tap it just a little bit, it will keep rolling for a few seconds. But as it stops, you can hear that's the belt slipping. That terrible noise. And that's when I took a trip down to Super Cheap Auto. Enter Belt Grip from CRC. Stops belt slippage. Suits belts, round, flat, V, rubber, leather, and fabric. And no, CRC does not sponsor me. But you know what? That wouldn't hurt, would it? Hey, CRC, hit me up. Alright, gotta get that nozzle right in there, spray a bit of that belt grip right on the belt there, and since it's a liquid, you can hear it spinning faster before it starts to grip. And when it grips, and it grips well. Look at that. Amazing stuff. And how quick was that as well? Nice. Very nice. So I went ahead and sprayed some other belts and reduced some more noise, which is a big plus, and it managed to rewind to the end. So I think I fixed that. I'm now happy to say that I have a much better functioning reel-to-reel tape recorder. But I hope you enjoyed this content, and I'll be back in 7.5 inches per second.